Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and I'm also a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario. We all know good things grow. And today I'm doing a Winter Rescue Hamburger Stew, which is absolutely delicious. And to make this absolutely wonderful dish, you gotta have a couple of awesome Ontario ingredients. So to start, we have some extra lean Ontario beef or lean Ontario beef. It's totally up to you. Again, recipe is a guideline. If you wanna use chicken or something else, however you make your hamburger, it's gonna be great. Then we have our onions, Ontario garlic. I've got some beautiful dried thyme. You could use fresh if you like. I've got salt and pepper. I've got my Ontario carrots and potatoes and sweet parsnips that are gonna go into our lovely stew. And then I've got some flour here to give it some body and some aromatics like mustard, apple cider vinegar, and some beef stock. So I've already taken the time to do the lean ground beef, and I did it in batches. This recipe asks for about 1 kilogram of it. So you want to do it in batches so it doesn't kind of sweat the meat and you're able to have these lovely chunks. Now I'm going to add to the little bit of oil that was left into the pan, my onions, and I'm going to get them sweating out. I don't want them to brown. I just want them to get softer because I'm not looking to caramelize this dish. I'm just looking to give it a lot of flavor. So I'm going to put my onion and my garlic, which I minced. You can use a microplane or a mincer, or you can use your knife. Fabulous skills. And I'm going to also add my thyme and my salt and pepper. And I'm just going to give it a nice little stir on about medium heat just to get it going. And it's already going to pick up all the flavors that the ground beef already has in the pan. And once this is nice and soft, I want to add my flour because that's going to give it the liquid, the broth, some body, which is going to make this taste absolutely fantastic. So we also want to keep this going in the pot because we don't want our flour to taste raw. We want to cook the flour a bit just like you would with a roux. This is a great recipe to look up at foodlandontario.ca. It incorporates a lot of wonderful seasonal produce that's grown here in Ontario. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add, now that this is cooked a bit, I'm going to add my beef stock to my pot. Here you go. You can make your own, or you can use your favorite one. You can already see the flour is starting to thicken it. And I'm going to add my carrots and my potatoes, which I've cut crosswise. You want to keep everything as uniform as possible. And then that's going to go right into my pot. And I'm going to give it a bit of a stir. And you want this to cook for about, let's say, 10-15 minutes with the lid on, because the carrot and the potato are going to take longer to cook than the parsnip is. So once the potato and carrot has gotten a little bit more soft, then you're going to include your beautiful Ontario parsnip into your pot and give it a nice little stir and add your apple cider vinegar and your mustard. Remember, this is a Winter Rescue Hamburger Stew, and I know that people like myself love that mustard and the ketchup and all those yummy things that go into a stew. And then once this is all lovely and cooked, you're gonna put a lid on it. You're gonna get nice and soft, and then you're gonna incorporate your beautiful ground beef on top. And when that's all done, and it's all warmed through, you're gonna end up with this fantastic Winter Rescue Hamburger Stew. You can enjoy it with a side of ketchup or with barbecue sauce or however you enjoy your burgers, but you got everything there, Ontario-rific, in one bowl to enjoy.